Welcome to the show, Arjun.
Thank you very much.
You've been a model turned actor. Will modeling always be a part of you?
I don't think so.
But we see you in a lot of fashion shows and, you know.
नहीं यार मैं इतना fashion shows कहाँ करता हूँ.
आप showstopper की तरह हमेशा.
एक बार चल लिया वो अभी स्टैमिना नहीं रही फुल शो करने के लिए. लेकिन I was done with modeling long time ago. So I don't look at myself as a model. I never did actually. जो मुझे करना था उस वक्त पे I played that part. I was done with it, and when I was done with it, I knew I had to do something else.
Right. All right. Coming to Cannes, how big is it personally for you?
I think it's huge. I think it's not just big for me. I think it's big for anybody who's in the film industry. You wish your films get selected out there. You know, you wish that you can be invited there, and you know, you wish you can be a part of that celebration of films from different parts of the world.
But walking the red carpet, do you think it ups the credibility of a star?
I don't know. You tell me that. I think yes, in a way, and it's a big honor for any actor. It's extremely prestigious to be on that red carpet, and hopefully you don't make any fashion faux pas. Okay, hopefully you don't say the wrong things, or you know, make people understand more about what you do back here at home.
तो आपको इस हिसाब से लगता है कि एक्सपोजर जो आपको मिलने वाला है इंटरनेशनल सर्किट में वो आपको हेल्प करेगा या ऐसा कुछ आपने सोचा?
It, as I told you, bridges the gap.
Right.
You know, लोग जानना चाहते हैं हमारे बारे में, बहुत कुछ जानना चाहते हैं. वहाँ के सबसे बड़े-बड़े डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स आते हैं, you know, वर्ल्ड वाइड से, you know, प्रोड्यूसर्स आते हैं, एक्टर्स आते हैं. सभी किस्म के कलाकार वहाँ पर मौजूद होते हैं. तो they get to know, देखते हैं, वो सोचते हैं अच्छा ठीक है, this is what India is, and hopefully we can create a good impression there.
But does it also help to kind of bring in a lot of, let's say, international projects या फिर endorsements? आपको लगता है कि you know, after this is what lies ahead?
I don't look at it like that. I don't think that's what we go for.
Okay.
I think जो कुछ भी मैं यहाँ पर कर रहा हूँ मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. You know, मेरा ऐसा कोई बड़ा ख्वाब नहीं है कि मैं बहुत बड़ी हॉलीवुड फिल्म करूँ या नहीं करूँ. मैं जानता हूँ कि ये सब होगा. You know, there will be a lot of Indian actors who will be working on a lot of projects from there. You know, how it happens, when it happens is a matter of time.
Right.
It will happen, and but one should not really go there with thinking that.
So you haven't really thought about ki brand Arjun Rampal, you know, the brand value increases.
I don't look at myself as brand. Oh my God, you make me sound like some coffee.
No, I'm not.
Yeah,
I don't mean that. But otherwise, you don't think your, you know, like endorsements में आपको और मिलेंगे. And
if you're talking personally about me, people who didn't know an Arjun out there would see him and say, oh, okay, you know, maybe I would like to use him in a film like this or not,
right,
or in a brand like this or not. That I don't know how that works.
Okay.
Okay, but and that's a different thing. That's not what I'm going there for. Somebody told me a very interesting thing, which I'd like to share on your show.
Please.
Is never race with money, okay? Because it will always outrun you. Okay, so always be in a position where money always follows you.
You know, normally Bollywood stars are clicked with the Hollywood stars, and उनके papers में in the West photos आते हैं and everything. Do you think the visibility of them increases and somehow it kind of brings more opportunity?
Maybe yes. You're right in that aspect. I don't know if that happens with me. I'll come back on your show and let you know. But as of now, that's not my agenda.
All right, Arjun, from owning a lounge, a fabulous lounge, to launching...
I know you really liked it.
I loved it, yes. To launching a music fest. Your business aspirations have been like going all the way. What do we see in future? और उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
सबसे पहले तो मैं एक और लैब खोलना चाहूँगा मुंबई में. That's one thing which is really high on my priority.
Right.
I want to redo little bit of lap in Delhi. Okay. And you know, make it a little more exciting now because it's been open for 3 years almost. वो same की same ही है. और so I want to create a little more energy out there. I would like to do Lost, the film festival, the music festival.
Right.
So Lost is about going to Lost to find yourself.
That's nice.
Getting lost to find yourself, where it will give an opportunity to a lot of Indian artists and international artists to come together, you know, synergize. A lot of artists who've not had the opportunity, who are lost, to, you know, get a platform to come and perform there. There's going to be a strong influence of a lot of big music companies out there to pick up talent, choose talent, do stuff like that. And yes, of course, bringing top talents from around the world for our Indian audience to enjoy.
Sounds very exciting. Thank you so much, Arjun, and all the very best for Cannes. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.